Girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know, I should have told you I have this little trick.
Yummy's from, yeah, Auntie Jenny.
Oh.
Auntie Jenny gave you these. So thank you for the pasta dinner.
Could you eat them?
Yum, yum, yum.
But could you eat it?
Some more? Not quite sure. We don't know. We'll try some more. We'll try some more. Try a little more. Come here, girl. Try some more. Here you go, girl. Here you go. Oh, snuck one in. Mommy's getting good at that. Yeah. Go. Here you go. Here you go. Mmm. Oh, I don't think we like these. Pretty sure we don't. No? One more try? One more?